I'm John Baker, and I'm here to talk today a little bit more about the user interface changes that we made for NX9. Primarily, I'm going to talk about customization. As we've mentioned previously, you can customize the new ribbon interface to make it more suitable for your type of work or your own personal preferences. For example, I created a ribbon, a new ribbon here. I added it where I collected all the sort of visibility, or what I call visibility functions, the things that kind of change the display of something, whether I turn layers on and off, change the background color, change the see-through mode, and so on and so forth. I collected that onto a single tab. So let's say today we want to add a new tab. So we go into Customize. I say Customize, Ribbon tab. I want to do a new one. We're going to call this Simple Shapes. What I want to do is collect all the sort of simple modeling functions, put them all into one tab. So now we have the Simple Shapes tab. Of course, it's empty because I haven't added anything to it. But what I can do is I can now go and use my command finder to get to those various functions. So for example, I want to do a block. So I go down to the block here, and I'm going to add it to a ribbon tab, and I'm going to add it to the Simple Shapes tab. This is the one I just created. Now I go up here and I say, let's do a sphere. So I do a sphere. We do the same thing with the sphere. We come over here, pick it, say I want to add it to the ribbon. So we do a simple shape, and it's to the Simple Shape ribbon. And then let's do one more. We'll do a cone. So I say cone, and I'm going to add that one now to the Simple Shape ribbon. And we're going to close out of here. Now when I go select that tab, you can see that those three items have been added to the tab, and they now appear. The default behavior is to create large icons. Now I may want to put many different things on here, so maybe large icons really is not appropriate, so I can actually now control the size of them. So I could come in here into Customize. I could then pick the icon, and I can actually change its style. So the default, as it says here, is the large icon with text, but I could come down here and say I want a small icon with text and change that. I could do that to this one here as well. And as you can see, by doing this, you could get a lot more functions onto the ribbon. I could also go and create a palette. I could create a drop-down. I could create a More type panel like we saw previously. So you have all of those different customization capabilities are available to you. So anyway, that was just a little quick trip showing you how easy it is to customize, how you can make large changes, even small changes, yet it still allows you to customize that interface, customize it so that it can meet, as I said, your particular preferences, or maybe group commands together that are going to be used most frequently based on the type of work that your company does or the tasks that you perform in the company. So thank you very much.